All right, guys, we have something really special, very unique. This is the Aion from Oknife, and this is a gentleman's folding knife. It's made from the O aluminum, which I absolutely love, but this is designed by Ostep, which is a Polish designer known for very elegant knife designs. And it has that O aluminum, which this is the natural color. They call it olive drab, but it's 1.5 times stronger than your standard aluminum. We have a really thin, beautiful blade. Now this is Nitro V M390 Super Steel. Yeah, it is very sharp, it retains an edge, and it's absolutely beautiful. A little bit of a drop point, and yet it has that thin design. And it has jimping along the top, which is micro jimping. Has a DLC coating, which makes this really durable. Now the flipper, you'll notice as we flip it out how smooth it is, but you'll notice it has a hidden pivot, which makes this very elegant. I mean, there is no large circle here, and it's inside the scales. And so it makes it really smooth to come out. And guys, along with this durable O aluminum. Now, this was actually inspired by the Arkfeld Ultra. In fact, he took this and designed the knife around it. And so it gives you a really great pairing. And I'm going to tell you guys, if you haven't experienced the Arkfeld Ultra, this has the O aluminum, and it is my everyday EDC. I carry this. It's so flat. It's just an incredible light. Now, to say I'm a fan of the O aluminum is an understatement. And one of the things about this material is that you can scuff it up. And in fact, I've taken a drill bit to this and just run up and down. And it just holds its finish. And you can just wipe it off, and it does have just a tiny bit of scuffing, but this again is the natural material. And that's what they're going with the Aion. Now, this is in a Kickstarter right now. And so this is a great time to be able to pick one of these up at a really good price. Not only are they doing the Kickstarter in this olive drab O aluminum, but they're also doing a titanium version and a zirconium version that's absolutely beautiful. Again, very smooth. You can see the spine has very close together. It kind of keeps that just really streamlined. The pocket clip is reversible, and it's on the end, so you can just flip this over. And again, this just keeps this a very elegant and really streamlined design. You can pull the knife blade out here, but man, once you do this, it is so smooth, and with one-handed manipulation, you can close it really easily. It doesn't catch on those liner locks. Now, the liner locks are inside, and they are skeletonized, and they are recessed into the OAL. And so it makes it a really compact design, very thin. In fact, it's 1 inch from the flipper to the top, and it's 0.78 inches from the distance of the body itself. It's a 3.5 inch blade, and it actually weighs 3.3 ounces. It's very lightweight. And the steel pocket clip, of course, it has Oknife on it, slips in your pocket really easily. Guys, here's a ceramic blade on their U1 Ultra. This is absolutely beautiful, and these just cut like you wouldn't believe. In fact, we did a full review on it. And then we have the O-Clip Ultra, which is one of those most versatile lights, and really probably only second to the Arkfeld Ultra for me. The Duron, and we have the Warrior Ultra in that same material. It is super strong, guys, and it's something that we're not seeing anywhere else. So Olight really has taken charge and really advanced aluminum technology, but yet combining it with a master designer like Ostep, and he is, again, one of those guys that comes out with those really elegant designs. You can see the knife lineup with the blade inside is very well done. It's very balanced. Telling you guys, beautiful knife. I will be carrying this one along with my Arkfeld Ultra, which is so thin, so easy to carry, and this matches that same design perfectly. Also, if you're interested in any Oknife or Olight, I'll have a link down below in the description, and you get 10% off using Suit00. It is an affiliate link. It helps the Suits channel, but I'm going to tell you what, guys, Olight is really doing a lot of cool things, and honestly, with all the lights that we have, these are my favorite lights. They just last, they have a lifetime warranty, and they're just top notch. But the Aion, this is a beautiful knife. Now the Kickstarter ends on September 18th. Right now, these are $95 for the knife. They're regularly $125. So you're getting a better price for it. There are bundles. There's a lot of other cool things, limited editions, and it's just a great time to pick this up. A lifetime warranty on this knife as well. And if you missed the Kickstarter, this is still an excellent knife to pick up and to carry to those really nice dinner dates. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Long live the Republic. Designed by Ostep Hal. No, not Ostep and not Hal. Hal. That sound right? That sounds stupid. Okay. And guys, here is a ceramic blade. A beautiful knife.